Welcome back to the Boundary Creation and Management series. In this video, we'll pick up where we left off with boundary setup. Let's walk through the details page and requirements that must be met to record autonomy boundaries. Click the Details button to view a list of autonomy boundary requirements. If you are trying to record an autonomy boundary, it is crucial to make sure all of these requirements are met before you start recording, and that they are met for all points during recording before you save. Let's walk through each requirement in more detail. A Starfire 7000 or Starfire 7500 must be used when recording the boundary. If you are using shared signal when recording, a Starfire 7000 or 7500 must be present on both the machine and implement. This next requirement checks a number of different items. If this requirement is not met, verify that RTKX is enabled, mobile RTK is not being used, the correction mode has not been changed during recording, the base station has not been changed during recording if using radio RTK, and you are not recording near fault lines. Ensure you are using radio RTK or SF RTK when recording the boundary. Mobile RTK is not allowed. Make sure that the offset point that is selected in the boundary setup matches where the receiver is physically located. There are limits in place for the offset measurement entered into the boundary setup. If using a machine receiver, the offset should be half the machine width measurement. The overall entered offset must be less than 4 meters or 13 feet. If using an implement receiver, the offset should be half the working width measurement. The overall entered offset must be less than 16 meters or 52 feet. Additionally, boundary recording accuracy must remain above 80%, and it is important to note that boundary recording accuracy is not the same as Starfire accuracy. Boundary recording accuracy can be affected by a number of factors, including shading, pull-in time of the receiver, any changes in mounting direction or connection of the receiver, or the need for a TCM calibration. While recording the boundary, an additional requirement will be present. The recorded distance between points on the current boundary must be 100 meters or less. This becomes important when using the pause and resume tools, or when saving the boundary, which will connect your current point to the start point of the boundary. When determining the boundary quality needed for your operation, consider the technologies that you plan to utilize this boundary with in the future. There are recommended use cases for boundaries based on how they are created and their level of accuracy. Join us in the next video to continue learning about boundary creation and management. Thanks for watching.